Pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. As you have seen from yesterday analysis, we had a nice, beautiful rally. This morning, we had a long trade here. We were expecting some price action because if you look at the price nicely covered this gap. So we had this long trade here. Afterwards, we had a short trade here. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. Hello traders, today is the 15th of May 2025. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's look at the analysis. All right, so let's look at the pound dollar, guys. And if you follow my analysis on the YouTube, as you have seen from yesterday, we have taken this yesterday amazing trade. We had a counter long trade this morning. We had this short trade here, squeeze amazing profit. Then we had a counter long trade here, and we were waiting for the news. And as you can see here, the price nicely respected. Then we had a beautiful short trade here. Now let me share with you how we analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward, guys. One long on one short trade we had it. So first of all, this morning, as you can see, this is basically Asian session analysis as expected to look for pullback. That was the pullback, very short trade on pound dollar. And the London morning, we had a counter long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, the price respected here and developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. We had this long here, and afterwards we will just keep taking a long trade here, guys. Squeeze amazing profit. As you can see here, the price nicely moved up directions. We were taking a pullbacks and we're waiting for the news. After the news, we had this beautiful short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. We explained to our trader. So based on the price action, that's what we explained. Price should stay and develop this, but price refused. Price came back and give us the confirmation for short. We have this beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, that's what it suggested. It's time to consider banking some profit. That was the beautiful trade, guys, we had. Then let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen, we had amazing trade, guys. As you have seen from yesterday analysis, we had a nice, beautiful rally. This morning, we had a long trade here. We were expecting some price action because if you look at the price nicely covered this gap. So we had this long trade here. Afterwards, we had a short trade here. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. And if I show you a pound yen, if you look at here, we had a pound yen. We had this beautiful short trade here, amazing short trade. That's the basically Asian session analysis. We've been taking a short from yesterday. If you follow my analysis, we have this breakout. After this breakout, we have another wedge breakout. We have another pullback, as you can see here. Amazing trade, nicely squeeze amazing profit. After banking some profit, this one, we had a counter long trade here, and that was the London morning session. We had a nice, beautiful symmetrical triangle pattern, beautiful long trade, squeeze amazing profit. After this banking some profit, we had another beautiful short trade here after the news. You can see a pretty straightforward. We explain in more detail all of traders through live analysis. If the price can stay above long here, as you can see, a price came back and retest, looking for this point of interest, which is clearly explained. As you can see, a price nicely broken and give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade here. Squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. That was a beautiful trade. And let's look at the Euro USD. We had a pretty straightforward. We've been short yesterday, and we had a counter long trade this morning, and afterwards we had a short trade here. And let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries. That was a pretty straightforward. We had pretty straightforward. This is the counter long trade here, as you can see here. Asian session analysis. Price nicely developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. Beautiful. Price nicely hit to the profit target. Squeeze amazing profit. After banking some profit, we had a nice, amazing short trade here at the New York session, waiting for the news. Beautiful breakout, and we explain keep taking a pullback. So beautiful trade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it when you see it in real time. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.